ba? Nadakong ko Cebu. Katong nagbalik ko sa Manila, naglisod ko mag-Tagalog. Asa mga alam? Yeah, I'll continue my story.
Okay, my love.
Tapos sabot na ba yung Bisaya? So, iyon ko, nung nagbalik ko sa Manila, naglisod yung Tagalog. Diba? Kita tanan, Tagalog ba ta?
Dili! Bisaya rin.
Bisaya kung English na, di ba? So ako, I had to learn how to speak Tagalog along the way. And I'm very blessed that I moved to Manila because I met the love of my life.
Wow!
Since I was 14 years old, I already knew she was going to be my wife. Mamaya, pagalitan na naman.
Hindi naman, love.
No,
Proud
seriously.
ako, syempre proud ako.
I moved to Manila and at 14, I always knew this woman with each hand.
Sarah Geronimo Guidicelli.
Sarah!
Yan.
So, that's what I said. That's what I said. I knew you were going to say that. That's why I said it first.
Okay, love.
Locally and around the world, I always came up with this thing. I said, basta Bisaya gahe. Because I wanted to represent the Bisaya as the best way I can, especially Cebu. Kita mga Bisaya, mga kuskan ng yuta, di ba? We are hardworking, we are resilient, and we don't let anyone or anything put us down, di ba? Masa sir?
Ang mga Pinoy in general.
Oo, may Pinoy. That's why, mas gusto nga kahit agtang. So that's why, basta Bisaya guy, and again, daghang salamat sa utanan. Are you ready for more?
May mga kailangan tayong pasalamatan ngayong
Yes,
gabi.
exactly. Of course, ang idol na tanan si Congressman Alfelito
Alfelito Basco.
Sir, ang gabi, sir.
Si Congressman Adolf, tama po ba Adolf? Adolf! Congressman Adolf! Edward Edibong Plaza, salamat po.
Ang gabi, sir.
Ang gabi, sir.
And of course, Ma'am Maribel Mijares. Of course, the better half of Congress Edibong.
Yeah.
Sir, the better half?
The better half. Si Madam.
Manas, Madam Dili?
Wala.
Wow.
And
Of course, serving Governor Sir Santiago B.